Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to keep YouTube playing in the background while using other apps. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and go to apps. Now select your YouTube. Now scroll down. Here you can see the option of open by default. Click on this. Now here you can see open supported links. You just have to turn off the button. Now go back. Now open your Chrome browser. Now open your YouTube and go to these three dots. Present desktop site. Now play your YouTube song. Now cut this. Now from here you can play your YouTube song. That's it. So this is how to keep YouTube playing in the background while using other apps. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.